Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the Simarro Travel Manicure Set. A 7-in-1 kit designed for women who love to keep their nails in top shape, whether at home, the workplace, or on the go. This versatile set includes 8 essential tools for hand, facial, and foot care, all crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and precision. The ergonomic design of the nail clippers makes them perfect for tackling even the thickest nails with ease, thanks to their polished, sharp blades and non-slip handles. Compact and lightweight, this manicure kit measures just 11 by 7 by 2.5 centimeters and weighs a mere 0.14 kilograms, making it an ideal travel companion that fits effortlessly into your makeup bag, handbag, or backpack. Plus, it comes in an elegant leather case, making it a thoughtful gift for loved ones on special occasions like Christmas, Thanksgiving, or birthdays. With its anti-rust coating, this set promises longevity, ensuring your nails remain clean and tidy wherever you are. So, whether you're at home or traveling, the Simarro Travel Manicure Set is your go-to solution for professional nail care on the move. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.